In an experiment you grow some cells in a media containing heavy isotopes of C and N. Then you transfer them to a lighter media. If you centrifuge the ribosomes so obtained after an hour, how many bands will you expect? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 4. What discovery was stated by Robert Traut and Munro experiment? A30S subunit is binding to if. B50S subunit has peptide transferase activity. C rRNA has peptidyl transfer activity. D urea prevents peptide bond formation. The correct answer is 50S subunit has peptide transferase activity. How many proteins were still intact after the treatment of ribosome with SDS and proteinase K? A4, B8, C12, D16. The correct answer is 8. Aminoglycosides can kill A broad spectrum of prokaryotes. B only gram-positive bacteria. C only anaerobic gram-positive bacteria. D only aerobic gram-negative bacteria. The correct answer is only aerobic gram-negative bacteria. In evolutionary history, which of the following rose first? A. DNA, B. RNA, C. protein, D. oxygenic mode of respiration. The correct answer is RNA. In an experiment you stalled the ribosome with low Mg2 concentration. Which of the following will then cause the release of the peptide from the ribosome? A. Increasing the Mg2 concentration. B. Adding urea. C. Adding pyromycin. D. Adding viromycin. The correct answer is adding pyromycin. What is the distance between the catalytic site and the nearest protein in the ribosome? A. No distance. B. 10 angstrom. C. 50 angstrom. D. 100 angstrom. The correct answer is 50 angstrom. Which of the following was not a protein degrading agent used by Noller in his experiment? A. Phenol. B. SDS. C. Urea. D. Proteinase K. The correct answer is urea. You gradually treat ribosome with SDS followed by proteinase K and finally extract it with phenol. Which of the options match the result you expect? A. Ribosome withstands all these treatments and still has peptidyl transferase activity. B. It stands up to SDS treatment. C. It stands no treatment at all. D. It stands up to proteinase K treatment. The correct answer is it stands up to proteinase K treatment. Tetracyclin is only harmful to prokaryotes. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. What was the unnatural experimental condition which proved to be a criticism in Robert Traut and Munro experiment? A. Use of low Mg2 concentration. B. Use of 33-methanol. C. Use of purified ribosome. D. Use of pyromycin. The correct answer is use of low Mg2 concentration.